Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie and I'm here with another makeup look. So today I decided to do something really bronzy. I wanted to do something super bronze. I mean, it's Easter and I feel like sometimes if I were to go to church, I probably wouldn't do like a dramatic eye, but I would do something like this, a little more on the soft side. I am a little heavily contoured, but that's kind of how I like to do it. But yeah, this is the look. So you can see the eye. It's actually not that difficult. I think it's pretty beginner friendly. I would definitely say that if you have practice with makeup, I think you could definitely achieve this look. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications. I'm definitely posting 3 times a week, so definitely make sure your notifications are on and you're subscribed to my channel. And if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. I'm just gonna start by wiping my face with one of my makeup wipes from Neutrogena. I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier powder and set my brows. Next, I'm gonna take my lip hydrant from MAC and I'm going straight into my brows using my Sephora brow pencil in chocolate brown. This is my absolute favorite brow pencil. I like the way it glides on, it's just perfect. I'm taking my Studio Fix concealer in NC42 and NC45 from MAC. I actually mix them together and that's how I get the color. But what I realized is it is a little too light, so I may go back to using my foundation stick in NC44 from MAC. And I'm just taking like a dense fluffy brush and blending that all out. Then I'm going to apply the concealer on the lid and I'm using that to act as a base. I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder and setting everywhere that I put concealer. So I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm just going to apply that all over my crease, and I'm also going to concentrate that deeply in the crease, and this is just one of the 2 shades that I'll be using. So for this bronzy look, I'm taking my chocolate geode highlight from Becca Cosmetics and I'm actually using that as my eyeshadow. Going back into that brown shade, I'm just going to use that to blend out the crease and the highlight from Becca. So I'm using my gel liner from Inglot in shade number 77, but I'm using my Sephora felt tip marker to actually apply the cream eyeliner. Using my Callus lash glue, I'm lining my eyes and then applying my lashes. Using my beauty elixir, I'm going to set my face and fan it off. Then I'm going to use my moisturizer from Belief and I'm going to just rub that in. Now I'm going to my Hydro Grip primer and I'm actually going to fan this off because it tells you to allow it to dry, but I actually use the fan to kind of do it quicker. Using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, I'm just going to apply that to everywhere that I'd like highlighted. And I mentioned before that I do it this way so that my highlighter isn't too bright because the shade is a little light for me. Taking that same brush that I blended my brows out with, I actually am using that to blend out my highlight and to bring some of it down onto my neck. I actually like blending out my concealer with a brush like this. I often don't use a beauty blender. This is my go-to brush for something like this. Taking my NARS foundation in the color Maria, this is the Longwear foundation. I'm just applying that all over my face, and then I will blend it out with the brush. I like to put it on my neck as well sometimes, just because I do have dark marks on my neck and it helps cover a little bit. Taking my soft matte foundation stick from MAC in the color NW50, I'm just contouring my entire face because I want this look to be very bronze. So I want to give a pouty, bronze, glowy, highlighted look today. So I'm setting my entire face with my Makeup Forever powder in Y445. And now I'm going to set my highlighted areas with my Laura Mercier powder. And I'm using a brush because I couldn't find a beauty blender or a sponge in the moment. Taking my Cocoa Naughty bronzer from Fenty, I'm just going to bronze the hell out of my face because I want to be super bronzed and glowy like I mentioned before. Now at this point I felt like I needed to go in with some more Laura Mercier powder, so I set some areas that needed to be set. Going back in my Chocolate Geode highlight from Becca, I'm just going to really do it up today with the highlight. I'm tightlining my eyes with Smolder from MAC, and this one is waterproof. Now I'm going to just line my eyes, and then I'm going to go back into my palette and smudge that out with the brown shade I used in my crease. Taking that highlight again, I'm concentrating that in my inner tear duct, or my inner portion of my eye. So I've been trying this new technique. This is BFF3 from ColourPop, and I'm just going to kind of fill my lips in with it. Then I'm taking BFF4 and I'm actually lining my lips. Then I'm going to apply the shade Neutrally Transformed by MAC, and then I'm using a brush to kind of blend that out. Now I'm applying the Dazzle Glass in Goldie Rocks. This product is from MAC, as well as the lipstick, and it's so pretty, but I actually applied it today with a brush so I wouldn't compromise my lip gloss. And I'm just finishing my look with the What It Do spray from Fenty, and then I'm going to apply my 3D mascara from MAC. So here's the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and all the videos that I'm putting out there. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.